Affordable root canal treatment, Turkey's competitive advantage. Treatment for root canals is a routine dental procedure which occurs whenever the nerve in a tooth is infected or injured. It involves taking out the affected tissue, then cleaning and disinfecting the root canal, after that, filling it and sealing it in order to avoid further infection. This procedure is crucial in preserving teeth. It's also expensive, particularly in places such as that of the United States and the United Kingdom. But Turkey has emerged as one of the most popular destinations for root canal therapy, offering quality care for only a small portion of the cost. The cost of root canal treatment in Turkey. One of the major factors behind the reason Turkey has emerged as a preferred option for low-cost root canal therapy is its considerably lower price compared with Western nations. The United States, the average cost for the procedure ranges from $700 to $1,200 for a tooth. While in the United Kingdom, it can range from PS 200 to PS 500. Contrary to this, to Turkey, there is a cost for root canal treatments maybe as little as $150 to $300 for each tooth, which makes it a more affordable choice for people who require dental services. Quality of care in Turkey. Even with a lower price yet, the level of the dental services is comparable to that of Western countries. Turkey is equivalent to the standard of care in Western countries. A lot of dental facilities are located in Turkey are outfitted with the latest technologies and run by experienced and highly trained dentists who follow internationally accepted standards of treatment. Patients can be assured of to receive the same professional level and experience in Turkey the same way as in their own country, which means they will receive high-quality treatments for their dental needs. Why choose Turkey for root canal treatment? Apart from the price reductions as well as the high quality of service in addition, there are different reasons for patients to choose Turkey for treatment of their root canals. One of the biggest advantages is the ease of making appointments and receiving care quickly. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey have flexible appointment times and will accommodate patients on shorter notice. This can make it easier for patients to get their treatment without lengthy wait periods. In addition, Turkey is known for its warm and friendly atmosphere that makes for a comfortable and pleasant experience for patients visiting from overseas for dental treatments. As soon as they enter, they are met with kindness and warmth, making sure they are at ease throughout their time in the clinic. Furthermore, a lot of dental offices within Turkey have services available in multiple languages, making it easier to patients of other countries who may not understand Turkish. Conclusion. A low-cost root canal therapy in Turkey offers a great choice for patients looking for high-quality dental care for a low cost. The lower cost, the high-quality dental care, and a friendly setting, Turkey has established itself as a top tourist destination for dental treatment. If patients want to reduce the cost of their dental care or wanting a more convenient and relaxing experience, Turkey provides a wide array of advantages, making it a popular choice for treatment of the root canal. You can relax knowing that they'll get top-quality dental care and attain optimal dental health while enjoying the beauty and music of this gorgeous nation.